Okay, welcome. I'm going to show you how to create a, great looking image ad that you can use on Craigslist or Backpage or whatever advertising medium you're choosing online. Image ads have a substantially greater response rate than just a text ad because they look cool. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and I can do it in less than 2 minutes. It's probably going to take me about 5 minutes to walk you through doing it, but we'll do it as quickly as possible. So you go to Google first, and we're going to grab an image that we need. I like Get Rich Quick personally. And we'll go ahead and click search. We want to go over to images, and we're going to find an image we like. I have an ad out there on Craigslist right now that uses this one. So we're going to go ahead and right click it, and we're going to copy image as. We're going to copy image. Oops. Rather, we're going to save image. Save image as. Okay. And then we're going to save it in our downloads. We're going to call it Girl with Cash. As you can see, it's already there. It exists. We'll overwrite it because, like I said, I already have an ad out there that used that one. Okay, we got the image we need. Next site we're going to go to is use.com because we don't want to just use the image. We want to have a cool looking template. So go to use.com. Click on templates. You don't need to sign up. Just click on templates. We're going to go to, I like people. It looks like a video, if you will. And this is the ad that I'm using right now. Click on that, and it's going to go ahead and ask me where the photo is. There's the photo. We're going to upload now. And no thanks, just give me the template. I don't want to create an account. I'm just going to use you to make a nice little template, and we'll go host it elsewhere. So it's creating it for us. Tick, 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 tick. And it takes a couple seconds to build it. Oh well. It was actually longer than normal. But there we go. Boom. There's our ad. Okay, now we're going to want to put some information in our ad. So we're going to replace that with click on the image to watch a quick, quick 5-minute video. I can't spell it on our company. Man, fat finger and everything. So then call me back to get started at 1-888-888-8888 or email me at email@gmail.com. Okay, looks good. And we're going to click to update the template. And boom, there's our template. Now if you scroll down the bottom, you're going to see a bunch of code here. Don't ever copy that code and use that on Craigslist. You'll pretty much get flagged immediately because so many people use the site. So we're just going to be a little bit smarter than everyone else, and we're going to use what's called a snipping tool. I'm not going to explain how a snipping tool works. If you don't know how to use one, Google it or YouTube it. But we create a snipping tool. That's now our picture. File, save as. We're going to save it as new image ad sample for video. That way I can go ahead and delete it when I'm done, since that's not my number or email. Okay, boom. So we now have our picture. We're done with this site now. We want to go over to Photo Bucket. And this, you do need to create a login and password. You do need to create your site. So I'll go sign in on mine, and we log in with our username and password. I use random usernames, so again, just to further automate it and make it so it's harder for Craigslist to see something that looks the same. If you could, as you can see, when I log into my account, we already have a picture that looks eerily similar to the one we just created. But we're going to go ahead and upload a picture. Oops. And it's going to ask us browse the file. And it's on my desktop under CL Ads. There's a folder. And what we want to do is we want to create a bunch of copies of the same ad. If you can see in here, it's the same ad, but I named it something different. That way we upload a bunch of different pictures that are the same picture, but called differently. So they'll give us different codes for each one of them so we can further differentiate our ad. But we'll just see email addresses in the pic. You know, there's the new image ad for sample video, and which is the one we just created, and we're going to go ahead and upload it. Boom. Go ahead and click on that ad, and it'll take you to a bunch of image links. We want the one that says HTML code. That's the ahref. And we click on it, it says copied. So if we start and then we go to our notepad, and boom, that's the whole link. That means when they click on that, this whole snippet, if you will, has a bunch of code that tells them where the ad is, and when they click on that ad, where to go. And more on that later, but now you have your ad. Boom, you're done. This video tutorial is done. You're good to go. You're ready for a next video.